Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Open YouTube Studio on desktop and sign in. Make sure your channel time zone is correct because timestamps affect reporting. Once done, compare the Studio view count in a regular window versus an incognito window to rule out cache and login display issues. Make sure AdSense or monetization links are intact and that you're checking the same date range. This prevents mismatched data that looks like lost watch time. Once the basics are set, you perform an audit and force data refreshes. Clear your browser cache, disable extensions, or open Studio on another device to remove local display errors. Then, navigate analytics to reach and engagement to see if watch time is marked as processing. YouTube delays update sometimes. Also inspect each video's visibility and restrictions, because private, age-restricted, or struck videos won't count toward public watch time. These checks explain why numbers lag and guide the next fixes. Finish by applying fixes and verifying results so you know the problem is solved. If you changed video visibility, resolved a strike, or relinked accounts, wait and monitor analytics for 24 to 72 hours since processing can be delayed. If watch time still doesn't update after 2 days, submit a support ticket with a clear timeline and screenshots. This helps YouTube investigate. One key troubleshooting tip: if processing shows stuck beyond 48 hours, escalate with a support ticket and include video ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.